it's me, NeeCJae. Today I'm coming to you with guys, it's me, NeeCJae. Today I want to talk about the keto diet, okay? And I'm just gonna jump right on in. I have been struggling with my weight since I'm over 45. I'll say over 45. Since when I turned 45, that's when my weight just seemed to plummet, okay? So, and nothing was working, no kind of diet, any kind of diet that I did, it just seemed, it just didn't work. Nothing. The things that I used to do, the Atkins diet, the just eating vegetables, the cleansings, the detoxes, and all of that, nothing worked. So I was like, what in the world? In fact, they weren't just not working. They were making me gain more weight. And what I found out is it's basically it's more water weight than anything. Okay, so I'm gaining more weight, I'm getting more frustrated. So I looked and heard about this keto diet. So I said, let me try this diet. Let me see. I don't know about the good fat. Well, I didn't know about the good fats, but I didn't know about the coconut oil, the organic coconut oil, and put it in your coffee. And I'm a big coffee drinker anyway, so that worked for me. I don't drink cream, I drink my coffee black, okay? So the good fats, the avocados, eating meat. I'm not a big meat eater, but I went on and I eat more salmon, fish. So I'm more of a pescatarian. I eat some meat, but not very slim to none. So I said, okay, so let me try this keto diet. I mean, within the first week, I lost 5 pounds, and I believe that was water weight. The second week, another 5 pounds. So 10 pounds altogether. So I was fluctuating 10 pounds, going to 11 pounds. So within 2 or 3 weeks, I was down 10 pounds and inches, losing inches, and loving it. Nothing else worked. I did a lot of research. Now, if you're attempting to do this diet, do lots of research on this diet. But this is the only thing that's actually working. Then I had a vacation. So on my vacation, I said, hey, I'm just gonna enjoy this time, and I ate some things. Didn't really gain too much weight, maybe 2 pounds. So I was down to 8, which still looked good because I did lots of walking on my vacation. So it wasn't like I was just eating and not doing anything. So I really didn't gain any weight, which was, it was great, okay? So I'm excited. Now I'm back, and you know, I have to get back into the routine. So I'm getting ready. Next week I'm going to go really hardcore and come back and show you guys the really results. I want to show you when I get to 20 pounds down, and show you the meals that I ate, the exercise that I'm doing, because in the middle of doing, I mean, with doing these exercises, with doing this keto diet, I'm just not eating right, eating the foods and eating the things that is required on this diet or lifestyle. I'm actually exercising and things like this. I don't think I'm gonna stay on this forever. I need to get down to a certain weight and then try to maintain it. Okay, so that's my goal. So I'm very excited. I will come back later just to show you when I drop 20 pounds. I'll say when I drop 20 pounds, I'm coming back. I'm going to just show you everything that I've been doing. So far, I can see it in my face, my arms, my body in general. The water is dropping. Even when I come on my menstrual, usually that's when I gain a lot of water weight, and everything, if I did lose any weight in the past, If I did lose anything, I gain it all back when I come back on my menstrual. Then I have to start all over again. It was just like an ongoing cycle. And I'm like, what is going on? But this keto diet, when I came on my menstrual, I was already losing water weight, so it did not affect my results, what I was already doing. Wonderful. I was so excited about this. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you, nothing else was working. Do your research on this keto diet. I don't eat a lot of red meat because I don't like red meat. I don't like chicken. I mean, chicken's all right. I like shrimp and I eat a lot of shrimp and salmon and tuna fish, things like that. And along with avocados and my organic olive oil. I put it in my coffee. That's some healthy fats. I feel in the beginning I was really in the beginning it was kind of hard because I wanted something. I just wanted, you know, some more food. But as I progressed, I don't drink sugar. I don't eat sugar at all now. And coffee, meals. So I cut sugar out, which is one of the main things you cut out. All kind of carbohydrates. Only the good carbohydrates that's from vegetables. Let me see. Olive oil, coconut oil, those kind of oils. Like I say, do your research on this because those are good fats, okay? And the carbohydrates come from most of your vegetables. But you are to have, I think, like 20, slim to none carbohydrates, and that's when you'll get into ketosis, which I've noticed that when you're in that, you're not real hungry. You're not hungry at all. You can eat your meats and your vegetables, and it sustains you, which is amazing. And that's what I have started to do. I eat when I'm hungry, basically. That's it. Eat when you're hungry. So that's been working a lot. I'm really liking this way of living lifestyle for right now, because like I said, I'm probably, I don't know if because I like potatoes. I like my carbohydrates. I just do. But it's different. You feel different when you cut back like this. And I ate a little bit on vacation, but not much. And you know, I don't want to feel sluggish. I do have more energy. I can tell that I have more energy. I just like the way I feel now. So yeah, I'm going to continue to do this. What else? I'm trying to think of something else that is really, let me see. I haven't started the fasting. I haven't done the fasting yet, but I think I may try it and just to see will it really help lose more weight. I will see. But so far everything is doing really good. Oh, and drinking lots of water on this diet really help flush out the excess water. And you will need some electrolytes in your water. Get the kind of water that has electrolytes in it, because you tend to, my legs started cramping up and I was like, what in the world? Read up on it, and that's when you need to put some kind of salt into your, you know, increase your salt intake a little bit, or just add something, you know, just get water with electrolytes in it, things like that. Because I think with all the flushing out, you're flushing out all of your electrolytes, the salt, everything. So yeah, but even because I have high blood pressure, it's hereditary in my family, so I try to stay away from the salt anyway. But I could tell my pressure, I went to the doctor, everything is great. She's like, what in the world? My blood pressure is great now. But you do, every now and then, I think I'm losing too much, you know, salt, because salt, it helps you bloat up too. So I think some of that was my problem, you know, getting older. Your metabolism is slowing down, but now everything is getting a little bit back. It's just to take 10 pounds of weight off of you is a big, you don't realize how much weight that is on you. So just to eliminate that little bit, I mean, it shows your body feels it, and it shows. So I'm trying to get back down, and I'm going to show you my weight, what I was, and what I'm doing. You know, when I reach my goal with just 20 pounds, 10 more pounds, and I'm gonna actually just show you everything that I did. So anyway, I just wanted to come and update you on this keto diet. This is the only thing that I am finally seeing results in. I'm so happy, because I was just getting frustrated without, you know, I didn't know what else to do. And so I just said, hey, let's give it a shot. Nothing else is working, so let's just see. and I'm so glad that I did try that. So yeah, if you have tried the keto diet, let me know. Give me some tips and some suggestions that you have done to really increase your weight loss as well. I know exercising is helping, and my exercises now are more intense because I sweat so much. So yeah, and I'm still taking my Epsom salt baths because I just like to take those baths. It just helps eliminate any, it's like a detox, and I love that, and it relaxes me as well. So anyway, that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like I said, put anything that you have done on this diet, or if you know about this diet, please put it in the description box below. Help everyone out. We are here to help everyone. So thank you so much. Peace and love, guys. Until next time. Bye.